Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This video is about Google Sheets. Google Sheets is same as Microsoft Excel. It is fast and online spreadsheets. In this video, we'll learn how to use Google Sheets on mobile. Let's get started. Open Play Store. Type Google Sheets. So this is Google Sheets. Click on install option to install, as here I have already installed. If you are using Google Sheets on mobile, you need to download it, and if you are using on laptop or desktop computers, there is no need to download. After download, open the app. So this is Sheets app by Google. As I have worked a lot in Google Sheets, you will find many Google Sheets visible here. If you are using first time, you will find your sheets empty. Towards the right bottom, click on the plus sign. Here you will find different template. Click on choose template. Various templates are available. Next option is new spreadsheet. So this is a new spreadsheet. On the top is one tab which consists of undo, redo and other options. Below is one more tab which consists of sheet 1 by default. So the file is called as workbook and sheet is called as worksheet in spreadsheet. Let's add some data to this sheet. Now let's add data to this. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Click on the tick sign to save the changes. Now firstly, let's apply formatting to this text. So select first 3 cell. I will make it bold. You can change the color using the color option. So there are different color options available. Change alignment, center, left and right alignment. Fill color option. So this is the basic formatting you can apply. Next we'll learn some of the basic functions. So every time you can save your changes by clicking on the left topmost corner on the tick sign. Now let's start with the first function, which is sum. Now to calculate sum, type equal to, type sum, S-U-M, sum. On the top you will find function SUM. Click on the function. Now select the cells and click on the tick sign. So the sum is calculated. Next function is average. Now to find average, equal to sign, type AVERAGE. On the top you will find the function. Select the cells, click on the tick sign. The average is calculated. Next is to find maximum of the maximum price. Click on the cell you want max value, equal to sign, type max. You will find max on the top. Select the cell you want to find max. So this is the range of the cells. And click on the tick sign. Max value is generated. Next, minimum value. To calculate minimum value, equal to, type MIN and select the cells, cell range, and click on tick sign. Minimum value is generated, calculated. Next is count function, which counts the total number of price in the cell, equal to, type COUNT, count, and select the cells, click on the tick sign. So these are the 5 functions. Number 1 is sum, number 2 average, number 3 maximum, 4th is minimum, and 5th function is count. So in this video we learned about Google Sheets, and we also learned basic formatting in Google Sheets. This video also covered 5 functions, that is sum, average, maximum, minimum, and count. This will definitely help you to work in Google Sheets. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, like this video, and share. Stay tuned for more videos on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.